Hi learners, our lesson for today is about volcano. What is a volcano? A volcano is a landform, usually a mountain, where a molten rock erupts through the surface of the earth. It's commonly a conical hill or mountain built around a bend that connects with reservoirs of molten rock below the surface of the earth. Here are the following parts of a volcano. 1. Main vent. 2. Secondary vent. 3. Lava. 4. Ash. 5. Crater. 6. Magma. 7. Magma chamber. 8. Layers of lava and ash. Crater. Lava. Ash. Main vent. Secondary vent. Layers of lava and ash. Magma. Magma chamber. Definition of terms. Main vent. The channel through which magma travels to the Earth's surface. Secondary vent. Some magma may escape through the side of the volcano, particularly if the main vent becomes blocked. Lava. When magma flows and erupts onto the Earth's surface is called lava. Volcanic ash consists of fragments of rock, mineral crystals, and volcanic glass created during volcanic eruptions. Crater. This is found at the top of the volcano where the magma erupts from. Magma is extremely hot liquid and semi-liquid rock located under the Earth's surface. Magma chamber is the area beneath a volcano where the magma collects before an eruption. Layers of lava and ash. It is formed by volcanic explosions. The ash settles around the volcano and the lava then flows over it and solidifies. For more tutorials, videos, and updates, please subscribe to Kimlala YouTube channel. Subscribe now!